Hey everybody, Chris here. I am on my Saturday afternoon walk. I'm going to be starting phase 1 of 75 hard or LiveHard phase 1 on Monday. I was planning to do my second round of 75 hard right after I finished my first round of 75 hard. I was going to do it with our 14-year-old son, and if any of you have teenagers, you know how hard it is to get them to do things. So he's been walking with me in the morning. He's been drinking a gallon of water every day, but getting him to do some of the other stuff, second workout, reading, all that kind of stuff, has been has been a challenge. And if you've done 75 hard, even part of it, you know, no one can make you do this program. You have to want to do it yourself. And just the same on the flip side, you can't make anyone do this program, even if it's someone you love. If they don't want to do it, they've got to do it for themselves. So he's pursuing his own fitness stuff in a different way. He's still going to walk with me a little bit and do some of the nutrition stuff, but he's going to pursue it in a different athletic avenue, which is cool. At least we got him to thinking. He's moving in the right direction. So I am starting phase 1 on Monday. Like to start on a Monday just because it's easier to keep track of as far as the calendar goes, and my phase 1 LiveHard checkoff sheet, it'll just be easier to keep track of. But I've been basically doing 75 hard again over the last week since I finished my 75 hard program the Friday before. So I've been still doing it every day. Haven't stopped. Today I'm giving myself an active rest day. Still doing the water, still doing the reading. I'm only going to do, well, I say I'm only going to do one workout today, but who knows? We'll see how I feel later on. And then I'll probably do the same thing tomorrow. Have more of an active rest day. I'll go on a run in the morning before church. Still do my reading, my water, and all that other stuff. I won't take a progress pic today or tomorrow, but I'll do that for phase 1, starting phase 1 on Monday morning. So just want to check in and hope everybody's having a great day. It's a beautiful day out here, beautiful Saturday. Fall is officially here, and I'm loving it. My favorite time of the year, and I'm looking forward to starting phase 1 on Monday. I've gained so much from this 75 hard program. It's just been amazing. I'm gonna turn back around for a minute, add a little bit of distance. I have gained mental strength, mental toughness. I'm definitely a lot more disciplined now than I was 75 days ago. I enjoy the workouts. I enjoy eating clean. I enjoy tracking my calories. Kind of become a nerd as far as that goes, kind of a calorie nerd. I'm loving the books I'm reading. I've read some amazing books. I'm reading Jocko Willink's book right now, Extreme Ownership, and man, it's awesome. If you haven't read it, go check it out. Loving how I feel physically, loving how I look physically. Not only am I seeing changes in my physical body, but my wife is too, and that's important to me because I want to look good for my wife. I want her to look at me and, so This program has done so much for me so far. I can't wait to get started on phase 1, and then I'll do phase 2 and phase 3. I've actually already started the cold showers. I started that this past week, and you know, the first few minutes of it, or first 30 seconds is kind of tough, but once you get through that first part, it's actually not too bad. I usually have some music playing in the bathroom when I'm in the shower anyway, so I just you know, stay in there under the cold water through 2 songs after I've gotten my warm shower, and it's actually not too bad. Not as bad as I thought it was going to be. But again, just wanted to check in. Hope everybody's doing well. Hope you're having a great day. Hope you have a great weekend. Enjoy this fall weather. Hope you're having good weather wherever you guys are. And I'll check back in with everybody on Monday morning when I start phase 1, and I'll document how I do there, and hopefully it inspires some other people. All you guys on the Facebook page, 75 Hard Facebook page, all you guys putting out the videos, y'all inspire me so much. It's incredible. So I just want to say thank you to all the other people who are posting comments, videos, shorts, reels, whatever, just to motivate other people. You're definitely appreciated, and I can't thank this community enough. This is changing my life. It's changing my family's life. I've got my wife walking. She's working out in the afternoon. When she gets home, I go on a walk with her, and we've been doing about a 2.5 mile walk every evening when she gets home. So for the past week, I've kind of been doing 3 workouts a day, which has been awesome. I've actually enjoyed it. I've got more energy, more stamina, and I just feel better. It also helps with the mental game too. The physical workouts definitely help boost my mental fitness. So again, thank you to all you guys who are posting, commenting, and keeping everybody else motivated. I hope some of what I've been posting on here helps motivate somebody, and if it has, leave a comment. And you guys have an awesome weekend. I'll talk to you on Monday.